introduce how to make my mom happy. Today, mom was disappointed with me because I didn't complete my homework. Also, I had a huge fight with my brother. I don't want my mom sad, so I decided to be a good daughter from now. To be good girl, first I'll finish my homework as fast as I can. I won't play with friends before finishing my homework. Second, I'll not fight with my brother either. Even though my brother makes me angry, I'll control myself to be calm down. I can do it. That is the way my mom to be happy. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.